Can you hear me now? Wow, that's messed up. That is messed up. Hey, so OBS turned off my mic. They turned off my mic and put on default the computer mic that I don't have. That is jacked up. Oh, man. I've had all kinds of problems today. Hey, so I had I had a decent day of trading, but everything else was a train wreck. So because we had so much rain today, you guys were on the stream this morning. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about with the disaster. Running off the generator. Oh, man, everything's going bad. Well, then I decided I have to drain the swimming pool because it's filled all the way up to the brim. Just drain it a little bit. Start working on rebuilding my Ninja. I forgot I was draining the pool. Oh my goodness. Drained too much water out of the pool. It's like, went down to go get my blood work. So I fasted for the whole time. Went down to get the blood work that said, oh, your doctor's never sent your orders. So had the internet issue earlier. The Ninja Trader grenaded because when I was trying to boot it up, the generator ran out of gas and it messed up all the Ninja. Oh man, had the swimming pool, had the blood work. There was something else that went bad too. I can't remember, but it was like I can't catch a break. Can't catch a break today. So it's amazing I traded as good as I did today. But I didn't take as many trades all afternoon. After the going down to get blood work and then go ahead and get something to eat, I spent trying to rebuild Ninja. Had to recode my indicators because I couldn't remember. I couldn't find where I had them at. Oh man, hot mess. Yeah, Lambo didn't start. Lost the key to the Lambo. So I had to go get the the other vehicle. I had to drive my little grocery getter. I had to go get the Ferrari out. Nah, I have no ambitions to have any of those cars. When I look at a car, I just think about how much of a pain in the butt is it going to be to work on. So, hey, Bob, man, I was going through it today. Going through it. Man. There's one other thing that did not go my way. Can't remember what it was now. But it seemed like, I went to Chipotle. Guess what? They had no burritos. Well, so I usually get a burrito. I had to get a bowl. Then the drink I went to get out of the fountain drink there, they were out of. It's just a hot mess today. One of those days. I thought hey, Bob, I thought they were messing with me. I said, we don't have no burritos. I laughed. I said, yeah, that's a good one. She goes, no, we really don't have no burritos. And I started looking. Everybody had a bowl. I was like, you got to be kidding me. Got to be kidding me. Yeah, it's because I picked on Bob. Oh, man. I can't believe it. So, this morning I was trading without majority of my indicators. So, but all good now. I don't have my Then I get everything set up. I'm trying to get the charts where I want them. I can't get the program that snaps the windows into place. My Windows key, I didn't realize there's a button that you can lock and unlock it. My Windows key wasn't working, so I couldn't get the screen snapped in place. I don't know if we're going up or down tonight. Yeah, max 2. Yeah. There's my Windows key on my keyboard, Bob. I guess there's a button that you hit that locks it. I found that out about an hour later. Uninstalled it, reinstalled it, checked for updates, reboot. I'm telling you, I went through it today. Nothing went my way. The only thing that went my way is I traded halfway decent. And that's probably only because I didn't take that many trades. So, I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback before going higher. I'm still favoring the long side, but I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback first. We'll see if that plan comes together or not. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. So I'm not sure yet. Yeah, it was definitely a messed up day. And on top of that, because of the storm, I didn't get that much sleep. I went to bed like 1:15 last night. Then by 3 o'clock, the storm was waking me up. I mean, it sounded like the lightning was hitting right there on outside my window, loud. I was like, wow, all right, let's go. So pretty bullish tonight. Well, I've been trying to work on rebuild out all my volume profile charts. I don't have them all built out yet. We do have a point of control up here at 28,500. But we have a point of control left behind from today as well. So it's like, wow, hey, look at the range. Hey, the total range today, 12. Huh. I don't have a hotkey for my arrow. Dang it. So I got my horizontal hotkey. This is what I'm talking about. This is... Let's go get the arrow line, I think it is. All right, so I gotta go customize this. All the little things, all the Fibonacci's, all the hotkeys, which obviously I don't have them all. Template, save, default, boom. I didn't realize how much I use that. Now let me go to hotkeys, tools. So today was just one of those days, and I got new monitors I want to get hooked up. So look, I'm doing all this workspace stuff just to trade one day on it, and then we'll be redoing it over the weekend with my new monitors. Well, at least I have all the templates built out, and I can just, it should go faster when I get the other charts. Hopefully, fingers crossed. 100 plus on eval. Hey, so on all the prop accounts, take a screenshot. I killed it on the prop accounts from last night till to today. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, there's the total today. Oh, and all the prop accounts. Is it fuzzy? Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but basically $40,400. Too bad I can't withdraw all that money, but I wish I could. But we'll see if I can give it all back tonight and tomorrow. Hey Raj, did we ever go back and hit the VWAP? Oh, hold on, I gotta get that. They're ripping it up pretty good again. Arrow line. We did not. I know we came down pretty good at one point. Boom. All right, let's see. Apply. Boom. All right, let's just see. I got my hotkey fixed for my arrow. Look, we came right up into. We came right up into. Ooh, I got it on the wrong hotkey. I got it on the wrong hotkey. All right, let me fix that. All right. So look, we came right up here to the in between the bands. This right here is the second deviation band. Up here is a third. I do have the regression channels right here as well. So, hey, so tonight we still be careful. Some of what helped our markets move today, you look at USD JPY. You know, that dollar yen getting crushed. Look at that on the daily, getting crushed. And then we come over and we look tonight. The BOJ has their monetary policy statement. And I hate that they do this. They always say tentative. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. But it is what it is. So it's going to be tentative on their monetary policy statement. So I'm assuming probably after 11, probably 12 to 1 o'clock, I think is what it normally is, but we'll see. And, you know, that could really get the markets moving as well. Look at 10-year yield today. 10-year yield, kind of a doji candle. And we did have, right, I already reset that. So let me go find this. Don't forget to smash the lucky like button, as I am planning to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway tonight. What should we make the goal? We'll make it easier. We'll make it 200 likes tonight. 200 likes. We'll be giving away one Take Profit Trader account. So let me find what I'm looking for. Is this the one? Nope. That must be under balance. Oh yeah, so look, let's see what we had at for earnings after the bell. All right, after the bell, we had Amazon. We had Apple and Amazon. How'd they do after the bell? Let's go look at Amazon real quick. Look at this on a 5-minute. Go ahead and get rid of that VWAP. And let's go ahead and look at the 24-hour market. Amazon killed it. Amazon's up 9.15%. All right, what about Apple? I think Apple is down. Yeah, Apple not so good, down 6%. Hey, what is Roblox ticker? RBLX, that's right. Oh yeah, they got crushed too, 13%. Hey, so this time for earnings so far, we've been seeing a lot of negative reactions to earnings. A lot. So do we have anybody coming out with earnings of significance tomorrow before the bell? Yeah, we have some oil stocks coming out, but probably not much. Now let's look at Nikkei. Nikkei, wow, Nikkei's up 1,277 points. Kospi's up 656. Wow. Hey, Lobster Dad, what's up? Good evening. I can't get my price bars looking right. Spending a lot of time on this junk. I can't get them the way I had them before. It's not right. I don't know. I just don't know. It don't look right if I do it that way. So I'm not sure which way I'm going to keep them yet. They just keep grinding it on up. Up. I can't even see how much everything is up right now. I haven't got a chance to finish setting up my analyzer window. Maybe I'll do that while we wait. I rely on that a lot more than I realized. To kind of just do a reference in my head where we're at. So let me set that up real quick. Points. I don't need the bid and ask. I'll go by and pretty it up later. Days till rollover. That could be good. And I'll set the ATRs up later too. It's not showing me. Hey, what's up? What's up? I am missing my coloring here, but something is better than nothing, I guess. That's what they like to tell me. Hey, Raj, you thinking we get a pullback tonight? I don't know, man. We did We did some damage today on that little down move. They got it. I was expecting a squeeze today, but they definitely got it pumping here a little bit. No doubt. You know, you think at some point we do get a pullback. Yeah. Hey, Bob, I know how to do it. It's just I was trying to prioritize. I know you're probably referring to my video. I just can't get this. I can't get my candles the way I want them either. Let's see if I put this at 2. Oh, it looks maybe a little bit better. I think that might be a little bit closer. We're still ripping. That might actually work. Wow. Let's go look where the gamma levels are real quick. What do you got for the gamma levels? We're coming up on that call resistance at 7,500 on the ES. Hey, and the stat for the NASDAQ played out fairly well. Only a 38% chance we're going to close back below the one-day min or one-day max. And we said the average move was 300 and something points. So if you guys missed that, that was a good one this morning. Pretty darn good. I feel like we're moving pretty good. How much are we up? Can't see NASDAQ. Dang it. Something's wrong with my data. Disconnect. Live. Reconnect. Let's see. NASDAQ's up 238. S&P up 25. All right, and that's a pretty decent move. Head to 511. Hey, let's go. We might. One thing that makes me a little bit nervous, though, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, all right, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th up candle in a row we're working on. You know, you start getting 5 or more, we're really susceptible to getting a pullback. I wonder if I can make these candle buys just a little bit bigger. Hey, I think this is working. Hold on. All this little detailed stuff is really annoying, but there we go. Actually, I think those candles don't look too bad now. I need to find a little bit brighter blue though. Oh, and the stats? Oh, let me go to it real quick, Bob. I'll show you. Now I can't remember what accounts I have on which trade copier. All right. Late Bears murdered for sure. Hey Yoda, what's up? For sure. All right. Hey Bob, if you go inside of Mentor Q and right up here on the new dashboard, click over here. And then that. Can't wait till I can get this camera out of here. That'll bring us up over here. And then there's 2 ways we can do it. So from this screen, you can either go to summary And up here, we're going to click on NQ1. Then go right here to back test. Then the 1 day max. All right, so that was 81% of the time we stayed within it. But comeback, meaning we close below it only 38% of the time once it's broken. So that's a pretty decent little stat. That was good information to know out there today. Let's go look on the chart. All right, we have a lot of gamma. We cleared that 28,000 gamma. What do we have above us? Anything? This is still the highest gamma level right here. But it's really looking juicy. Kind of 29,000 to 29,250-ish. I'd like to see a pullback first. But we'll see. I'd like to see a pullback first. I don't know if we get it. Where can you learn to trade like me? Hey, just sit there and study your charts. Come to the stream. Ask questions. Watch what I do. Go back and market replay. Try to replicate it. We're still pumping right now. Pump, pump, pump it up. They're still pumping it. They pumping it. Pump, pump, pump it up. All right, here's the ES. All right, VWAP's down here. Look, we came into the bands. Kind of came down a little bit. You still see the regression channel sloping upward. Oh, that channel doesn't look right. 55 and 3. Yeah, that's right. All right. We can't bookmap alarm. Not sure what you mean by that. That's a pretty good little pump. I don't have my 5 minute with the FVGs on it. Indicator. We have a little FEG right here. See if we come back and get it or not. All right. Yeah, closing the third deviation. I don't even have my micro charts up. I can't even swing at that with the micros. We need to find a way to do that. Let's see. Duplicate new tab. MNQ 09-21 26. Okay. I'm gonna swing at this with a micro. So I just put one micro in the MNQ. Let's see if it'll go on down there. And let's look at where I'm looking to go with this. Let's go look at the volume profile real quick. This might set up an overnight trade for me, but I got to be careful. We do have a point of control up here at 28,500. You falling in a hurricane? I don't know. It feels like there's a hurricane going through today, Eric. Oh man, hot mess. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. 200 likes. We're going to do that Take Profit Trader Count giveaway. 200. We got 160 people in here right now. So, you know, we just need everybody to smash that button. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now, hey, we have an FVG down here. Should I maybe try to target down there? Is that going to be enough for me? 460s. Where's that second deviation band? Never get in the duck race. Hey, Tom, remind me today. Remind me tonight when we do it. I'll make sure I get you in it. If you're still here. As long as we get the 100, we got to get 200 likes. So we should be able to do it. We've been hitting that pretty consistent. So it's not that big of a lofty goal. I don't like I can't get the delta indicator to get scale right. I haven't figured out what's wrong with that yet. No, I did short 1 M&Q. I'm actually underwater in it right now, 20 bucks. I'm going to look to add to it. I want to get a couple on this. Try to see if I can play a little pullback back down. At some point, we're going to get a pullback. I mean, that's a pretty big move. Look right down here from this low, almost the way up here, almost 1,300 points without a pullback. At some point, we're going to get a pullback. So. Oh, Eric, I did. I called the low yesterday. Hey, so yesterday we saw the options flow in the New York session just screaming up. Those of you that weren't on the stream in the New York session, here I can go back and show you guys. Let me log in. So if we come back over and look at Spot Gamma real quick, we look at yesterday. Look at this line right here. This line right here just screaming up all day long. And yesterday we did not close. We closed at the lows, getting smoked. We got a little bit of a peel off at the end, but not much. The options flow were very strong. That's another heads up that we were probably going to run today. And run we did. So. Oh, hey, it's called the fair value gap indicator. It comes inside a NinjaTrader. It's actually, I plan on doing a video on it sometime soon. And you see it right up there. I hate friggin' labels on stuff. Hate it. See how it makes the chart look ugly. All right. And what's funny is I'm going to get everything all set up just to get, start messing with my 2 new monitors. Oh, man. That's the funny part. Yeah, hey, Raj, hopefully we do. I got that 1 micro on, so hopefully you get a little reversal. What's my bot? I'm hoping for a little retracement and then looking to get long. Ideally, I'd love to see the ES retrace a little bit, but then rally up. Now, we do got to be careful. If we start breaching value area low, value area high, that shows you how rough my day was, which is 74.60 and a quarter, then I kind of want to focus on this minus development area right here. Somewhere between there and that point of control, I'd love to see a pullback so then I can get long. And I am kind of curious right here. We had this little A to B equals C to D pattern. We just completed that pattern tonight. So let's see if we can pull back here a bit. We're also coming off the deviation bands as well. So you see right up here, we got into the second band. Now we're going sideways. We should start to get a little bit of a pullback here. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We can only hope. Don't do it. Don't do it, Cheryl. No, I'm just joking. I mean, gold has some good moves, but be prepared for the, sometimes it moves pretty quick. Sometimes. So don't get lulled into a little sense like, oh yeah, it's fine. Put the contract up. What happened? Holy smokes. So. Hey, Hal, not a problem. Man, that market analyzer window is really irritating. Oh my goodness. That's probably the next thing I have to fix. I think I'm probably not going to, I want to get 2 more charts up. And then I think I'm just going to leave my layout like that until the weekend. When I get my new monitors, I can get everything all situated. But I need to fix the market analyzer window for sure, because this is just absolutely driving me insane. I usually always look over there and have the cells. I'm gonna have to highlight this. Get them highlighted. I can't do this. So it'll be highlighted red, conditional formatting. So let me do that real quick, because it's driving me nuts. That change, conditional format, cell. Is it cell or is it filter? Where are the color? Yeah, a problem there. Let's not be what I want. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, this is what I want. Background color. Green. Apply to all. Greater than 0. Ooh, that's a little bright green. I can't deal with that. Neon green, that's too much. Too much. Let's we gotta tone that. Get a little darker green here. Ooh, it's still too much. All right, that's better. I have to add one more. Add. If cell is less than. Make it red. Why? Hey, there we go. There we go. Now I gotta do it net change over there too. All right, trying to rip it up here a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna go back up. Take out session highs. They're ripping it. Keep in mind, we have the Bank of England. I'm sorry. Bank of Japan coming out. Bank of England. They had their interest rate this morning. They left it exactly like it was. Less than. All right. So at least I got those. I can work on the size and stuff. That way I can just get a quick glance. Just to see. Save. Here just a wee bit. All right. Hey, bear market rallies are vicious. That's what people, forget. Bear market rallies they could be pretty intense. We'll say that. So, if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. Yeah, let's go see where we are in the scheme of things. What does the Qs look like? Look at this. The Cosby's on a rip. 813 points up. Woo. Tomorrow's Friday. Hey, look, we actually got below 2 of the anchored VWAPs. We're going to try to see if we can get back above this. I do like where we came down towards. Almost down to 50% retracement. What about SPY? How low do we go there? All right. And what about RSP? RSP was taking on water today. So we had the markets up big. And RSP was down 0.35. If you don't know what RSP is, it's the equal weight S&P 500. So, hey, good news too. So Ninja was loading really, really slow. It does feel a lot faster since I'm starting back from scratch now. So I noticed the volume profile charts feel a lot snappier than they did before. So I don't know if it was something within the updates and they changed something, and I don't know. Still trying to go up. Right now we have the NASDAQ up 279 points. Ooh, you know what? I forgot to put the indicator right there. See, it's all the little things you don't realize. You just forget. Indicator. Display net change, I think it is. I remember when that first came out, it was such a great feature because trading from a laptop, I couldn't have the market analyzer window up too from work. Maybe it's net change display. Net change display. There we go. We'll do points. We'll do top left. Stupid label. I hate that. Let's get rid of that label. Pink. Ew, I wonder if I can make it bigger. I gotta make that bigger. I'll probably go just a little bit bigger. There we go. Now we can see it. See, we're getting it back little by little. Nah, not 24 hours, Brad. I took a little bit of time off today. Yesterday, we did 3 streams. I got very little sleep last night. Storms and power went out. And hey, just FYI, if Ninja Trader is ever booting up, your computer just loses power, it's a nightmare. You lose all your data connections. You lose everything. You lose. It's horrible. Not good. Trying to short at 500. Nice. So I'm down 81 in that micro. I've only got one on. Down 81, but I'm thinking about adding to this. Actually, I'm going to. I just added to it. I added to that micro. And again, we look at the view apps. I mean, we've just been getting it. Look at the NASDAQ just. So. No, it's not all set back up yet. I've been working on it for hours. So I had to recode my indicators. I couldn't figure out where I had them at. Where I thought I had them, I didn't have them. So I had to recode it. Then I was trying to remember, crap, how did I actually do it the first time? So that took a little bit of time. So then I spent some time. The IR Delta momentum indicator, like it's a lot thicker than what it was before. I don't know why. I can't figure out how to change it. So I'll deal with that later. Now I haven't saved it yet. I will once I get everything set up. I'll make a backup. The last backup I had was so many versions ago. It was obsolete. Like, it's not even worth it. All right. So, hey, on the ES, here's what I'm watching. Can we get a little bit of a pullback? All right. Maybe come back. FEG is way down there. We got 2 FEGs up here. I really would like to get the FEG all the way down here around this area. You know what's kind of funny? Hey, my FEGs on the new version aren't disappearing. Huh. Oh, it hasn't. Let's go see if Jesse's right. I've been messing with so many things. It's just been ridiculous. I hope you're right. That's kind of janky. It's messing with me. Oh wait, it's probably auto scale. Oh, let me turn off auto scale. No, that didn't do it. Hey Jesse, I don't see the thing that you're talking about. Oh hey Sods, what's up? What's up? So Jesse said it has an option match bar width. I don't see it. Ah, I do see it. Down there. No. Hey, see, that's the problem I was having. I don't see where I can change it. I see where it says auto width, but I don't see any button. Oh, right there. Gosh darn it. I see it now. I see it now. That's a little bit better. I think I still want it smaller though. Okay. We're getting closer. And let's try that. Hey, there we go. That looks better. There we go. That's why I keep you guys around. Oh. Now, is that too skinny? I don't know. Templates. Save as default. All right. Yeah, let's do that. Properties. You know, I can probably just remove. Apply. There we go. Instead of changing each one. You know, I don't need it on my 30-minute chart. What was I thinking? I don't need it on that chart. All right, there we go. That looks better. Yeah, hey, the band. So there's two bands, Paul. This is actually I'm only showing the second and third band and highlighting the area. This is the second band. That's the third highlighted area. I don't have it exactly like I want it yet. This is the VWAP. And now I got the lines, regression lines. I got to figure out how I'm going to get this to look better. I don't know yet. We'll get it figured out. Don't forget to smash that like button if you guys haven't yet. Before I forget, I do want to go ahead and I guess what we got to do on this chart. Ah, stupid. Boom. Apply. There we go. All right, starting to look better. Starting to look better. I'm almost ready to take a trade again. Bands make me dance. Yeah, they do, JD. You should see it. Woo, gets pretty scary. Well, that's the ES. I'm like, why is this moving? I don't see the ES moving much. All right. Let's see if we're going to get a little pullback here. We got VWAP. All right, the white line over here is VWAP. We're always talking about VWAP. So let's put it where we can actually see it. Oh, what about the grid lines? Actually, they did have grid lines. Hey, the whole chart did, Raj. I just had them faded out. And these are pretty faded from what I see. Maybe it shows more for you guys. The only charts I don't have grid lines on normally is the 4-hour chart, which that one does. Let's see if this one does. Oh, I got them off this one. See, I didn't get them off this chart. I got them off this 4-hour chart. And I usually don't have it on the 30-minute chart either. So let's go ahead and fix that now too. This is good. I don't trade. All right, got them off that chart. $28,700. We are, but I'd like to see a pullback first. I'm looking for a pullback just so I can get long. I want to be long. And I do want to play the pullback. That's why I'm actually short 2 micros at the moment. All right. I knew this was gonna be a pain in the butt. That's why I haven't been wanting to do it. I will say though, Ninja Trader feels a lot snappier since I've done this. Feels more gooder. I think it's still, the volume profile will still make it load a little bit slow, but I think it's gonna be a lot faster. With olive oil and garlic onion. Yeah, hey, Jesse, I'm on the new version. 8.1. 8.1. Hey, Atomic, what's up? Thanks for joining. How do you get in the duck race? You got to make sure you sign up for the email list down below, and then I'll give out a key phrase. We got to get 200 likes. So we need 90 more likes. So far, I like the new version. It feels snappier, but that's probably because I got rid of the old version. I did it from scratch. Deleted Ninja, or uninstalled Ninja, delete the documents folder, and start over. Yeah, hey, Eric, I have in the past, yeah. But Blue Sky. Hey, Raj, if it's Blue Sky, they've been around for a little bit. They're actually out of Florida. Yeah, I don't have green candles. I'm colorblind. There should be a blue. I don't have the right shade blue yet. I used to have them as a Dodger blue. And now they have the hexadecimal, which I guess I could give that route too. Let's get it real quick. Might be able to change them. Hey, my micros starting to make money. Money on those 2 micros. Let's go. Let's get it. Some Kentucky blue. I'm going to see if this will work. Candle. I'm going to try this one first. Oh, yeah, that's better. Hold up. I'm going to have to go do all these friggin' candles too. I'm not going to do it tonight while we're on stream. There we go. A little bit brighter blue. There we go. See, I just had to Google it. No, I didn't hear about that. I don't have a stop yet. I still want more contracts on. I want more contracts. Until I get 8 contracts on, I won't put a stop in. Once I get 8 on, I'll put a stop in. So I'm looking to DCA into it. we do turn down, hey, that's fine. I'm going to try to get out around the FEG all the way down here. Oh, hey, that one went away. Oh, it's because how many? I need to plot more. Let's see. FEG, how many does it have? Max is... We're going to bump that number up a little bit. Yeah, let's see if this breaks it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Usually if I start moving around the chart, they go away. Check the video you shared. Oh, I got to watch that. I'm going to watch that, Raj, afterwards. Huh? Do you keep the source? Hey, Eric, I don't know if you're doing talk to text. I don't understand. Hold on. Do you keep the source file? Oh, the source? Do you mean the source? No, I coded it, Eric, myself. I did it myself. I made it myself. I didn't pay nobody to do it. I did it. I can code simple things. I can't do complex things. And I'm not the best at it, but I will say that AI makes it way easier. You can make some cool things with AI. Yeah, no, hey, that was the problem, Eric. I couldn't find it. I thought I knew what folder it was in. It wasn't there. So I was like, oh boy. Hey, so let's see if we can get a pullback all the way down to about 416 to 427-ish. This is where I'm going to try to get out of those micros. No, I didn't hire nobody. Eric, I did it myself. Yeah, I'm drinking. Woo! After the day I had today. Yeah, buddy. I had a rough day today. No, I'm not drinking. I went drink and trade. That would be a disaster. I wake up and be like, why I keep getting all these emails about margin call? Margin call? Who is margin call? Then it flashes back. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. So. Opening. Get. Where's the ES at? ES still up 20 points. Let's look at this. Hey, Jesse, the FEG indicator is working pretty good. Now, you know how it kept always going off and coming back and then coming back? It seems pretty good. Like before, if I just touched the screen, I tried to draw, it'd go away. So I almost think uninstalling everything from scratch when you do that major update makes things a lot better. I don't know. Kind of weird. So let's get it. We are at the lower regression channel. I will say the VWAP bands do make the regression channel a little bit harder to see sometimes. So I don't know how I'm going to handle that yet. I don't want the chart too messy, but it's all stuff I want to be able to see. So I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. Maybe I got to make the regression channel a little bit thicker. Usually I just had it at default. Let's see. I'm finding myself having a hard time seeing it. Upper line. Let's just bump everything to 2. Lower line, 2. Middle line, 2. That's a little bit easier. I kind of feel like the middle line kind of gets lost with the second deviation band. I don't know. We'll play with it tomorrow. I'll play with it tonight, tomorrow. Hey, good evening. All hail the market makers. Yeah, they got it going. Hey, so Last night I set the stream up. Last night when we got off, I had the stream set up and I actually said, I don't know, watch for the short squeeze. Something about short squeeze. Something about the squeeze. And boy, oh boy, did they squeeze it. Yeah, I'm in a trade right now. I'm currently down $22. The micro. It's the only trade that I've taken on stream so far. I took 2 trades before the stream. Trading on a phone, DC earlier, 4 hours later in Florida. Gambling. What a day, what a day, what a day. So I like to see a little blip down. Bing. I got 2 on right now, Bob. I put 1 on and I added 1. I was like, I need a little bit more in it than just 1. We've already had that big move, so I think we'll get a pullback. I don't think it's going to be a major pullback. I think everybody's going to be thinking major pullback, big, huge pullback. I don't think we're going to get that. Oh, man, I'm so glad I found the candle color. That was irritating me, too. And KD's been saying, buy, 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 buy. Market's going down. He's like, hey, don't shoot me. I'm just a messenger. But the model says go up. And today it goes up. And KD, the model wasn't wrong. It was just early. The market is trying to test out good old task force. So again, here's my target destination on the micro I'm shooting for. All right, right down here. Right down here, that FVG down there. Let's get it. Can we do it? Hey, they have that lockout feature now too. On Ninja, on the new version, you can lock out right there. On it, under the accounts tab. Hit the little lockout button. Yeah, tough to go long where it won't pull back. I agree with that. So when the market's one directional, I usually have a hard time. Thankfully, today I was already thinking long, long, long. So I didn't get myself in too many, bad spots today. Thankfully. Yeah, I love it. That lockout features helped out a lot of traders. A lot of traders I talked to love that lockout feature. It protects you from yourself. Yep. That'd be mad. I wanted to take another trade. Hey, Tom, so it usually will ask you if you want to upgrade to the latest version. You get a little pop-up. You can just click, yeah, download it. Yeah, Apex doesn't have NinjaTrader prop yet. It says coming soon, but it's been saying that for months. So I don't know what's the dealie there. What's the dealio? I know I'd feel pretty good if they could just get it down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Let's see. There we go. Hey, futures, what's up? Does Perdia as NinjaTrader with live data? Not sure what that means. Beyond limit, no boundaries. I'm not sure what that means. Just signed up for an NinjaTrader account, but I haven't funded it yet. So right now, the only thing we get is NinjaTrader website. I guess you have to. No, hey Tom. So if you sign up with a prop firm, like Take Profit Trader, they give you a license to use for Ninja. It comes with your plan. Man, look how much darker these candles are versus here. Let me see if I can just change that real quick. I'm looking over. I'm gonna have to change all these stupid colors. Oh, look how much better that looks. Oh man. Perfect. If Perdia has NinjaTrader. Oh, not yet. Hey, not yet. They don't have the Ninja Trader prop yet. 5 micros to the buy side. Woo! I mean, we could still rip. We could. We've been down pretty decent. And look, we're probably the next stop on the way up. We probably want to go test the weekly high. So we got new highs over here on the NASDAQ. I will look to add to this. I only got 2 on it now. I'm going to look to get maybe up to 8 contracts on this before this push down. This might be my overnight trade while I'm sleeping. We'll see. We'll see how it shakes out. I mean, I wouldn't mind going to bed, having it already hit my target, given all the madness I had out there. But we're trying to rip back up here again. But we do got a 9 count. Look where we're at. We're right back in the bands again. Just on the edge of the bands with a 9 count on the 1 minute. Yeah, hey Tom, it'll be the same Ninja Trader, yes. How long do you expect the ES to go tonight? I don't know, a little bit longer. We'll see. It'll stop when it's ready. No big deal. No big dir. All right, short term, we did get to be over. Look at the delta. Ooh, I might have to swing at this. Boy, that was fun. Man, those orders are huge on this screen. I gotta fix this. The screen I'm trading on, this thing is huge. This stupid thing is showing me. I like seeing that. Let's see. I'm not looking for a lot, but you know, you got everybody off sides trying to still short the markets. And the market's just not going down yet. Oil's getting whacked. Yeah, oil's down 92 cents. Hold on 1 second. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. I think I'm about to get stopped out. Dog it. Roger sent me a chart. Man, they're getting this market. Holy shoot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Roger, I do think that'll play out like that, too. I kind of like what you're looking for. I'll show everybody here in a second. I think I'm going to take another swing at this. I don't have my footprint charts reinstalled yet either. You son of a biscuit. Change it already. Yeah, it's just grinding up right now. I thought you were gonna get me. You know, if I end up down tonight, I won't be surprised given the day I had. So, if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. We're gonna be trying to give away a Take Profit Trader account tonight. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Target. You almost hit my target too. I'll show you guys the chart that Raj sent here in just a moment. Should have walked away green. I know that feeling. I don't know. I mean, the 50Ks you get paid out earlier. The 150Ks you get more drawdown. And that's with any prop firm, not just Lucid. So what's more important to you? More drawdown or... It's not that 3 accounts. Come on. See if we get down here towards that 200 EMA. I mean, less drawdown is easier to blow the account. You gotta freaking go up there again and get me. Yeah, lockout feature. That lockout feature is a game changer. Saves us from ourselves. Look, NASDAQ's up 310. That's big. No, I haven't tried 100K. I haven't tried the 100K accounts. Tried 50Ks at 150. Yeah, I had 25K accounts before. But never 100K. Yeah, we're up here in the bands. We gotta get a little pullback here. You gotta give me a little love, please, please. And mo, please. Oh, that is jacked up. My friggin' hotkey didn't work. That's fantastic. I got another problem too. I think it's because I restarted my computer before the stream. Wow, they're really ripping it. All right, hey, let's look at that chart that Raj sent. Now I'm gonna have to trade. I gotta get my money back. So Raj has this ABC pattern drawn out. I like it. Get a little push up here and then get the ABC pattern down. Hey, Raj, that looks like it'll take us a little bit below where the prior all-time high was in the market. Bob, I didn't think it was that, but you're probably right. Because you know what? I didn't change that setting. You are probably right. You are so smart. So Bob, that was part of it. So we just did it again and we've been screwed up. All right, so which? All right, so I gotta try one. All right, let's try this again. Let's see. Will they give me again? Yeah, hey Bob, I just checked that. Make sure, because I do copy trade. with sim accounts. I just checked it. I get in it instantly wants to go back the other way. Can't believe, what's the range? Where I normally look for the range, I don't have that chart no more. That's fantastic. So 269 point range. All right. Yeah, straight up. No pullbacks. Not yet. Not yet. One will come. It'll probably be a smaller pullback than everybody thinks. My personal opinion. But we'll get a pullback. Are you effing gonna go up there and get me? You stupid, stupid market. Yeah, the problem is we're not getting any pullbacks. I want to get a pullback so I can actually get long. So I'm going to try to make a little bit of money on a pullback, but we're just not pulling back. That is the problem at the moment. Wow, we broke 7,500 on the ES too. ES just keeps ripping on up. We're not back in the bands yet on the ES. On the NASDAQ, we are. You get a pullback once you go long. Yeah, that's the way I feel, Dan. If I go long, I'll be like, I'll be like, you mother sucker. Minute 9 count. $613.5. A little bit of liquidity up here at 637. There we go. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. AJ Loves, what's up? Good evening. And the VIX was up quite a bit today too. VIX was up what, or down, should I say down, which implies that tomorrow or Monday could be a down day in the markets. You know, is the U.S. going to try to hit Iran hard over the weekend, cause more chaos, and try to get everything smoothed over before the open Sunday night? Maybe. Look at that target down here a little bit more. See if we get a little push. See if we can break that EMA. Break that 200 EMA we're coming up on. Break it. Break it. Break it. Please. Nah, they can't. Hey, ready? They can't see it. Think about it. Why would a hedge fund go chase fake money? What would be their incentive? How could they gain anything from that? By going and trying to stop you out. They wouldn't waste real money to go chase paper money. Because it's not like they get the money that they take from you. And your orders can't be seen on the exchange. Now, if you're in a live, like if you're in a live environment with a prop, that's a different story. It's a little bit different. Yeah, Raphael, I'm trying. Right now I'm down. Trying to short this high up here. The market's saying, pow. I know it's easy to believe the market's conspiracy theory. They want to come out and get us, but now if you ever read the book from Jesse Livermore, you know, he used to say how he traded in bucket shops, and you know, the bucket shops could go into the market to push the market enough to wipe out enough clients. So if too many people were long, they go in there and throw some shares in the market, like short them, get the market to dive down just a point or whatever it needed to take everybody out. Now, the prop firms could do that, but that'd take a lot of money. That'd take a lot of money. That'd take a lot of money to do. And that'd be pretty darn risky. If they're going to do it, they probably wouldn't do it to you on the eval. They'd wait till you're funded in a live sim environment. Not when you're just in an eval. Because the eval, they don't owe you any money. You still get another chance to mess it up before you get paid out. I feel like I want to close this trade, and as soon as I do, it's going to drop like a rock. I know it. Sucker's going to do it. Let's go check in the view apps or the. Look, we have some more FVGs down here. Golly, we got a whole bunch of them. I need to change the threshold for that indicator. I don't have time to do that tonight, though. Place behaves differently. Short every 50. Yeah, I don't know about that. Shorting every 50 to 100 points a day, Captain, would have been dangerous. You would have been broke. That NASDAQ from the low up 1200 point range, almost 1300 points. Are you effing kidding me? It's making me wish I would have got out. Took my $200 and something. No, don't want to do that. Which I haven't checked on. We'll see when I'm stopped out. I want to go check in on the Kospi. Yeah, I've never used them, Raphael. I've heard of them. I've never used them, though. I think they're out of Dubai or something. Out of the UAE. Wow, I almost hit the close button. I was going to test out, see if the hotkey is working for the close. I don't know if I hit it or I got stopped. Pretty darn close. So let's go look real quick at the Nikkei. Holy crap. Look at the Nikkei. Holy shoot. 3,400 points. Cosby up 922 points. Jeez. Well, it's only 916. Man, it feels way later to me. Yeah, I've heard they pay. Let's see. Feels like 29K by the morning. Yeah, it could. I keep kind of look up for the range. Look up to see what the range is, and I don't have it on my chart. Yeah, grinding up for sure. Money could be a gap up. Maybe. That'd be funny. We run up tomorrow. And then Sunday night, we get a huge gap up. Oil fade trade. What is gold doing tonight? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, gold's near session lows at the moment. All right, what about CL? Now 64 cents got whacked a little bit. I can't even see the news. Any news? Oh, hey, don't forget, we do have news coming up. We have news coming up. I did short the market again too. But first, look, we have the BOJ coming out for their interest rate decision. So let's see. See if we can get a little push down for me, please. Please and thank you. See if I regret this again. I was up 200 and something on the last trade. I don't know if I got stopped out or if I hit closes all at the same time. So I don't know if my hotkey's working yet. That's weird. Deal with that later. What? Is this gonna get me or what? Yeah, Joker's gonna get me again. Son of a beep. Stop shorting. Can't help it. I just want to get a little pullback. Not looking for a big pullback, just a little bit. Why does the markets have to be so mean to me? Oh, it was a pretty good dump yesterday. Yesterday afternoon was pretty sick. Now we're just stuck up here. I don't like this. I don't like this. I like that we're in the bands. I don't like being stuck up here though. Not moving down. It's almost like they're waiting for the BOJ. That won't be until, I don't know, probably at least 11. You're shorting with me? Oh man, I feel bad for you. Team stop loss forever. Come on, Joker. Took 135. Hey, it's smart. Smart man. Hey, we could go sideways to get out of the bands too. We don't necessarily have to go down. VWAP is way on down here, but VWAP could, we go sideways and VWAP could just slowly grind up there and catch up to price. Short every hour. Remember the last trade I was in, I was up 200 something bucks and I got stopped out. Or I hit close right around my stop loss. Hey, Michael, what do you mean this is wild? This ain't bad. There he goes. China news. Yeah, China Central Bank injects 21 billion yuan. Come on, Joker, don't go back up. Just get a little pullback here. We do have a little iceberg order. It's only 39 contracts filled so far, but little iceberg order over here on the Bookmap. You know, for as big as our markets were up today, RSP did not participate. RSP was still down. Yeah, Hong Kong opens up here in what, 5 minutes? It's probably gonna gap up too, I would assume. You joker. You mother dirty dog. God, I should have taken it. I should have took it. I should have took it. Unreal. It's when a big player hides their order. Let's say they want 100 contracts filled. They only show on the book 1 or 2 contracts. Every time it gets filled, it'll replenish a new one. And it's tagged on the CME as an iceberg order. So it's not like hypothetically thinking. So they're trying to hide what they're really the orders they're trying to get filled. So us retailers, we don't typically have iceberg orders. So. Yeah, Bookmap shows it. Right here, you see that blue 39 is above price, so you know it was a sell iceberg order. It was below price to be a buy. And let's just hit close. I mean, that's at the 50-day. On the daily? On the daily? Come on down. Just get it. Get it. Well, I don't know. I'm worried about Hong Kong pushing this up a little bit higher, actually. Kospi's up 16%. Kospi's up almost 16%. Probably was a few minutes ago. Nikkei may be trying to get a little turn. Come on. Give me a big old turn. Let's go down. Let's get it. Please and thank you, Mr. Market. I'm a little bit nervous with HSI opening up here in like 2 minutes. Oh, I lost my countdown too. Hmm. Yeah, a lot of times I use the Renko chart for my entry. So it's really good. Like even right here, when you see it pull away from the EMAs really quick, it's usually pretty good for a snap back towards the EMA. Especially if we can get overbought, oversold while we do it. Typically ends up being fairly decent. I'm getting a little bit nervous that HSI could open up. And I'm up. I'm kind of scared. Like, do I just take it before the market rips back up and takes our money back? Or do I hold on? Don't forget, 200 likes. We're going to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. So smash that like button. I could have closed that trade out, made up for the losses, and been up a little bit tonight. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see if we're going to get it. Is we going to get it? See HSI when it opens. I'm kind of curious. It looks like it's going to gap up. Well, not really. It looks kind of muted. Looks like it might gap down a little bit. 21 points. I'm trying to push the market back up. Let's see HSI gap down. It's down a little bit, down 55. Come on, push the markets down for me. Just do it. Please. Thank you. There's had some China news come out too. China PMI just came out, 49.2 versus 50.1. Oh, come on, Joker. You son of a biscuit eater. Now look, HSI is going down. Not so much on Nikkei or Kospi. We're trying to go back up. Oh, my own account. I only trade micros in the prop accounts. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit. No, I'll trade, like when I'm not on stream, I'll trade 4, 6 contracts sometimes. Every now and then 8, not very common. But sometimes I'll trade 8. I choose the one I'm not trading, but well. This is what I'm if I trade 8. Usually in the I gotta get it back mode. So sometimes that makes for an even worse day. Come on, Joker. There we go. One target out. There we go. All right, so I'm back up for the night. Backs up for the night. Let's go look at this real quick. We have all these FEGs to work through up here too. Can we get on down there? Jeez Louise. He's at max size on. Let's go. Push it. What's going on with this? Short term, it did come in to be an oversold. Got it 9 count, but yeah. Where'd the buttons go? Let me see this. All right. All right. Let's see. I'd like to get a little bit more. How deep down these FEGs you think we're going to go? All the way down here? Maybe. Let's go look at some things. All right, so from the day, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if my hotkey is going to work. All right, got my fibs back. Might have to change the colors here, but I do. I got that stupid 23 point whatever. Oh, yeah, you're going away. We got to get rid of that sucker. Let's go ahead and take a moment to say farewell to the 23.6. Can't stand that thing. Template, save as default. Boom. All right, there we go. Can we maybe get a pullback down to a 38% retracement tonight, tomorrow? Maybe even a little bit lower. And then we set up a large ABC pattern on the way up and start working our way towards 29,313. I would love that. Love it. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but that would be my ideal situation. So in the meantime, see if we can keep on coming on down. Let's see. Can we get it? 490 so far. I might look to get out of this micro. Initially, I wanted to look at the micro all the way down here around 420-ish. But I don't know. I think we've been up in these bands for a while. I think I'm just getting tired of it. Yeah, I'm not a dancer. Michael Berry said all puts in. Michael Berry gave the all clear, full port, baby. Hey, oil's down $1.24. Earl's down $1.24. Nikkei's not at lunch yet either. Wow, I keep feeling like it's later today. I guess I just had such a rough day today. It feels way later to me. Let's see if we can keep on coming on down. Down, down, down. But I may look to lighten up on these at the bottom of the FAG down here. May look to get out. May 560. Nice. Yeah, this is Ninja over here. Solid Ninja Trader. I have a trading view over here on these screens. See, Cosby trying to get a little rollover, still up 14%, which is not really that surprised given the semis were up so big today. Nikkei still up 3,200. HSI is down though. HSI is down 172. I wonder if I should have stayed in those minis a little bit longer. Let's see, where did I get out of those jokers at? Oh yeah, I got out like 540s to 537. Golly, I should have held that sucker. It's always easy to say you should have done this in hindsight. Yeah, hindsight's always easier. Yep, I would have sold right here, tippy top, and got out right down there. I mean, come on, you can see, look how easy that would have been. So, oh, 1,500 on the night. Oh, good job, Cocoa Candy. Nice. Yeah, you beat me. Yeah, you're true on that, Raj. That does make micros pretty darn good for that. Oh, I forgot tomorrow's Friday. I hate that. I hate that tomorrow is Friday. I like to have a nice cushion going into Friday. Oh, man. We just got to get some more Mondays in. Let's watch. All right? I might. We came down to the bottom. I'm thinking about it. Thinking about exiting. Thinking about exiting down there. Probably should have. Probably should have got out of the micros. How low can this go? That might be all she wrote. Nah, we should get a pullback at some point. Over here on the 30-minute chart, you see the profile is pretty thin tonight. We did hit the untested point of control above us. We still have one down here, and I really like to see us come down towards 370. That's a mile away at this point, but and maybe we don't make it down there tonight. Maybe London, maybe. Yeah, well, here's the thing. Are people gonna be scared to hold over the weekend? Just say, hey, I want out. I want out. Get me out. Get me out. And they just want to get out, or I don't know. The people are fearful that we're gonna, US is gonna try to go after them harder over the weekend. More escalations. That could be pretty tough. All right, we are below the lower regression channel, but are we gonna start flattening out this regression channel and then maybe start slanting down? We got the VWAP down here at about 448 at the moment. I don't know. Don't think people care about the war anymore? Yeah, well, when oil starts going up, that ends up being a little bit more of a problem. $9.43. Can't believe it's only $9.43. That is crazy. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Like if people hold going into the weekend, and then what happens if we get some type of surprise good news over the weekend? That would be insane. I don't know, man. My greediness kind of wants to hold down to the VWAP. I don't know though. I'm probably gonna front run it. I probably won't hold all the way to the VWAP. VWAP's around 450-ish, right? Yeah, around 450-ish. Be another 40 points lower. Right now we're up 258. Oh, Jesse says he's on. Let's go see. Is he trying to sneak in again? Let's see. How do I turn these darn headphones on? We're gonna have to charge these suckers up over the weekend. 26,000 due to downside. After 28.7. Can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3.
Really? Oh, you're still muted on the stream, just so you know.
Oh, all right. Here's Jesse. Sorry about that, guys. Well, I was just telling Jesse that in our group thing, I was mute. It took my microphone out, just like when we first came on stream. It was out of. Everyone's like, "Oh, you're muted." I'm like, "I'm muted." And I was in OBS. It took my microphone out of there too. I don't know, man. That's pretty weird.
I think I found the setting that keeps turning this thing down. Let me give me a second here, guys.
Let's get it.
Okay, I figured it out. Hold on.
Let's get it. Come on down. Let's hit the VWAP. Let's get it. Hey, the FEG indicator doesn't go away anymore on the new update.
No, good. Yeah,
but
you're making
me from scratch. I mean, I started it from scratch. Yeah, the lockout features for the accounts and everything right on the platform.
Yeah. Okay, this says go to the recording tab, select your microphone, go to properties.
We get the VWAP. I'm probably gonna peel these micros off. Probably gotta peel it off before we get there, actually. So I'm worried about the BOJ coming out tonight too. Don't forget that. Oh, you took a short? All right, fingers crossed. Hey, what's your target on the short, Coco? Mike, so I have it. I'm trying to pick up the end of it. Like when it starts going fast, is what I'm trying to pick up.
Okay, I think I'm back. Can you guys hear me?
You've been on the whole time.
Okay, I saw it just said disconnected and then reconnected on my microphone. But anyhow, now I think I've gotten rid of that setting, so we'll have to watch this.
All right, hey, we're down here by the VWAP. I'm gonna go ahead and peel these bad boys off. Oh crap.
Yeah, that's quite a little drop there.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Good thing I closed that trade early. I was trying to get, I forgot what price I was calling out, but good thing I closed it.
Wow, that's some weird stuff right there.
What happened?
I had contracts on it, hit buy once, and then it just flipped the position. That's really weird. How is that even possible?
Oh,
No,
I didn't do everything I was supposed to do here.
I don't understand how that just did that to me. That's really weird. 1, 2.
I mean, are you out of it at least?
Yeah, I am, but I don't understand. I swear I had 2 contracts left, or at least one. What if my mouse double clicked? I just got this mouse though. That's the problem I was having with the other mouse. Man, what a day I've had. Did I tell you I messed up the swimming pool? I drained too much out.
Oh no.
So I'm gonna start draining it. I started draining some because from all the rain and stuff we had. We got more rain coming tonight and tomorrow. I started coming in here working on trying to get the chart set up. I just lost track of time.
Oh no.
I go out there as a I mean I drained like half the pool.
Oh no.
Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, I gotta fix that on that.
Yeah, so you've been just busy all day resetting up your workspace there, huh?
All afternoon. That's all I've done. We went out to dinner, but other than that, that's all I've done. It's been a hot mess. Yeah, we're almost at VWAP right now. It's like, geez, who did I tick off today?
Yeah. That was my day. I had 2 of those days in a row.
We had the BOJ coming out with their interest rate decision. Now the BOJ today, if you look, USD versus JPY, I was trying to come back up now, but look at that, pretty nasty down candle. They intervene in the currency market. We'll see what kind of language they have out tonight. It's not going to be out till later, but we'll see what time. Let's see if Financial Juice has anything other than tentative.
Just that, really. I'm looking here.
Oh, they have the Japan. Oh, it says rate decision 11:30. It says rate decision 11:30. It says BOJ rate statement tentative. It says 11:30 around there too. So I don't know. We'll see. But Cosby was getting it tonight. Cosby's pulling back here a little bit. Nikkei's trying to pull back a little bit. HSI was already down. Now it's trying to pop up. So the micro trade worked out pretty good, but I got myself in a little bit of a pickle with the NASDAQ. I went green to red tonight. Now I'm back up green. I'm at new equity highs now. So
okay, good.
Been there, done that in the pool. I can't believe I did that. Like, it's just, I can't believe I went to Chipotle and they said we got no burritos. I said, like, so what do you want? It's like, oh, I'll take a burrito. No, we don't have the burritos. I said, are you joking with me? She said, no. I looked down and everybody has a bowl. I'm like, fantastic. I go get my fountain drink afterwards. Oh, it's out. Just clear carbonation. I was like, you gotta be effing kidding me. Went to go do the blood work. They said, oh, doctor never sent over your orders. I was like, I had the whole power issue this morning. I had the Ninja Trader issue. I mean, it's like one thing after another. Yeah, I should have it all out of the way for a while now. It should be good.
Good.
Probably wouldn't have been a good day to go e-fall in. Probably got bit by a shark. But a shark would have just came and just chopped my board.
Oh, boy.
Disabled it. Yeah, we got a pretty good little bounce. We just got right above that VWAP. Keep in mind, we still have some FEGs down a little bit lower. So I don't know.
My cable keeps getting caught over here on my desk. There we go.
US says Hamas agreed to a plan to disarm as long as Israel withdraws from Gaza. I don't know. We got oil down $1.07. Interesting. That's weird. So the MNQ got a 9 count down here where the NASDAQ did not on the 1 minute. That's really weird.
I wonder if it's going to try to bounce from here or what's it doing? Ghost is long from here. All right.
Yeah, I don't know. I still think we're due for a little bit of a pullback myself.
That was a pretty good pullback.
Oh, look, we just ran up nonstop. Well, look on the 4-hour chart. We haven't had a down candle. We ran up like
your kind of day.
Actually, I didn't trade that bad though. 1348. 1348 without a pullback. That's not true. We had a little pullback there. So let me measure from the other one. About almost 1,200 points. No pullback. That's not normal. And the RSP was still down. So I don't know. Doja Can on the 5 minute. Hey, Tris, good night. Hey, don't forget, we need about 14 more likes and we will make sure we secure that Take Profit Trader account and giveaway. So let's do it. Let's do it. I don't understand this.
Let me see if I've got anything over on this other chart. Let's see if I can join you guys in a trade over here. I'm feeling left out.
I'm not going to trade right now. I want to see a pullback so I can get long. I really want to get long, but I want to see a pullback first. Stocks are more volatile than meme coins. Yeah, I'm not ready to go long yet. I want to see if we get a little bit more of a pullback. Me personally. So another FEG down below us, which is where I originally was trying to target with the first contract. 426 down to, I don't know, 415. Points. Generally, what is your points? It varies. If it's a quick little scout before I can move my target, it's not very good. It's 5-point target, 10-point stop loss. But if it gives me time to move it, it can be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points, 60 points for a 10-point risk. Hey, what's up?
Eddie says that's it. Dead cat bounce.
Might be. Bear market rallies are vicious. Doesn't mean we can't go higher though.
I don't know, but if you would think, I don't know, you'd think it would have kept going. I mean, this is a pretty deep pullback for this move.
What? No, it isn't.
Yeah.
Look. Look. We're not even close. We're not even at your 23% retracement on the 4 hour.
No, I'm talking about the Asia session, dude.
Ah, you gotta look at the whole
No,
move.
if they in the Asia session, if they're gonna run it up, they're gonna run it up. It doesn't pull back like 30% like this. This is, I think it's done,
Yeah, it
guys.
does.
I think
It might be done. It might get a little bit more of a pullback, but I don't think this is a major pullback. All we did was come back to VWAP.
Yeah, I mean, when you compare it to New York and the 4 hour, yeah, sure, yeah, that's not what I meant. I just meant the active people we're trying to trade against. I think they might be done pushing this up. I don't know. I could be wrong, but it just seems like it sputtered out.
Hey, look, even if you go on a 30-minute, go down a little bit lower. The 38% of the last little swing we had from this morning is at 352. And we're at 476.
Hey, can you pull one for tonight's move? I mean, I think this is probably about 30% retracement here, right? I guess I could. I'm not good at those.
Yeah, at 38.
Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe
but that's not really a swing though. Like, you had one candle down. That's it. I don't really consider one candle a swing. So you really want to pull it from the swing for the impulse move. But if we keep going up, I won't be surprised either. Just keep squeezing everybody.
Yeah.
They could do that too. Because on the if you look at the NASDAQ on the daily, we've been down more than 10%. So if we measure right there down to here, that's about 12.75% down, almost 13% from all-time highs. So now I'd look for a little retracement up. If you look right here, we have that high volume node up here as well. And I'm curious. I want to do 2 different fibs on this. I want to clear off all this drawing. Let's just start from scratch.
I mean, I guess we didn't quite hit those targets I was talking about earlier in the chat, guys. So, I mean, they're still up there. Let me lean over here. I can't see that far. I need those big old curved monitors like Mike's got.
Oh, just sit in the boxes. Hey, and look, if you go from all-time high down to this low, the 61.8 level comes right near that high volume node right there. That's a normal retracement to set up another larger pattern down. That's what Raj, I don't know how deep Raj was looking, but he sent me.
What price is that?
Look, Raj already had this drawn out. He sent this earlier, and I was agreeing with him because I was thinking the same thing. Impulse move down, retracement, and then set up an ABC pattern down to go substantially lower.
What's that high volume node price up there? I'm just curious.
Probably around 654. The 61.8 is around 541.
Yeah, I've got a level at 650.
So see us pop up there a little bit more, and then get everybody saying, "Oh, new all-time highs," and rug pull it and send it back down. Because look, then that would take us back to the previous. Oh, did we already get there? We did. Hold up, that changes things a little bit for me.
Oh, because now we're bouncing off what could be support now.
Hey, so one of the areas I was talking about in the analysis videos before was coming back and retesting that structure breakout point.
Wait, what's an analysis video?
Yeah, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, but over the last couple of weeks, I've been talking about that. People are like, it's never going to go down there. Well, look, we just did right there.
There we are. Boom.
Just now it doesn't do it overnight, though.
Yeah, let's see if we get a good bounce off of that area.
And the MACD indicator is down below the 0 line. Should firm up. I'm kind of curious on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour already started hooking up pretty good. On the 4 hour, it looks like we could be in a little down channel down. We got to break above this. So maybe get a little lift up and then come down and then set up an ABC pattern up. And again, that can start bringing us towards the high volume area on the 4 hour chart as well. So that's kind of what I like to see, but we'll see. We'll see.
Hey, cruising, yeah, that little rip was just a fake out. We just gave it right back. Look at this. Oh, man, that was a nice little rip, too.
I still think we gotta go lower. I'm not ready to full port though. Just in case you're wondering. No full port.
No full porting allowed.
Yeah, ES rejected 2 times. Let's look at that. I do like that too. ES comes back down. Should be able to get a little pullback there. We already completed ABC pattern tonight on the ES. I know it might sound crazy, but I don't mind seeing a decent little pullback. Maybe right on the edge of where this volume is right here. Maybe. I think we still want to go lower. I think the move up tonight was just everybody's all excited about, holy crap, the NASDAQ went up big today. Hey, we got to get in. Bottom's in. If you go back and look, some of the biggest days in the stock market are in bear market rallies. If you go back and look in history, some of the biggest up moves have been bear market rallies. So, hey Bob, huh? What? Say what? Say what? All the way to 394. Hey, let's get it. I said Bob's. I don't think I did. Maybe I did. I don't know. I had 2 big boy ES on the way down by mistake.
Whoa.
Oh man. Hey Bob, I don't know. It was a rough day for me. Maybe I did. I'm not gonna argue with you about it. I don't know. You could be right.
I got a little target forming below us here.
Maybe want to go down.
Do I dare short this bad boy? If I do, it's
only if you're full port.
383. Give me a little bounce and I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna try it. Why not? Why not?
Hey, 393 is a developing point of control. And hey, oh no, it's just above it. We have 2 FVGs. Hey, one of them, the bottom of it is about 386. They're giving you your bounce.
Yeah. I'm looking for some kind of selling. Oh, you know what I'm missing? I don't have my stupid trade detector bubbles. I've been wondering, what am I missing on my chart? I had to reset up some of my stuff too.
Let's go see.
Where's the order flow trade detector? And I like on the NQ, I like 30 and 80. All right, let's go. Let's see if we got something here.
Hey, that's messed up. I had mine on. I guess one of my iterations of my charts, I had it on.
Oh, you were missing it too?
Yeah, I just started thinking, I haven't seen no bubbles tonight.
Yeah.
But I had it on earlier. I probably scrapped that chart. I probably got mad. I wasted a lot of time today. Oh, stupid labels. I hate those freaking labels up there. I think the charts look so ugly. I'm gonna get them on this chart too. So if you guys do trade with NinjaTrader Prop, you guys get access to that tool. Or if you have a lifetime license. Or if you have a live account with Ninja.
Mike's got a video about that. I'm wondering if I want to try a short, but I don't want to.
I only live once. You don't believe how much time this takes to set everything friggin' up again.
No, I know, dude. I've had to do it numerous times.
Man, that's why I haven't been wanting to do it. I'm like, I'll do it next weekend. And the market kind of forced my hand this time.
Mm-hmm.
Says you are doing it now, which I'm kind of glad I did, because now the FEG indicator doesn't mess up anymore. No, hey, Tomic, actually, believe it or not, that video's, I'm hoping to make that video for next week. It might be a Monday video is what I'm hoping for. It's already in the queue of videos to do. It's probably going to be Sunday's video or Sunday or Monday. So. So let's see. I'm trying to push it back up here a little bit. I gotta fix this. Oh, yeah, get the friggin' labels off up there. Jeez. Stop that, break even. I'm moving down here a little bit. So they're starting to look better. My charts are starting to look better for me. Not quite yet, but I didn't know about that button down there for the the IR delta momentum indicator. It's like, why is this so thick?
Oh yeah.
I was like, what is going on here?
I'm trying. I've been trying for years to get you to change those damn colors to blue and red like your bars.
I was almost gonna do it, but you sent that text. So
I'm sure.
I'm not gonna do it yet.
No,
I was thinking about changing the colors of them. I was waiting until I can find the proper bar color, but I got it now.
Yeah, I put it in the chat, and then you Googled it anyways. So.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
It wasn't a big priority. I was trying to get it closed, but I have all. I was like, which task do I do first? Like, which most important to me?
I know.
It's gonna take forever. Hey, then the volume profile hung me up for a while. Getting the composite profile right over here. I was trying to get the heat color. I kept picking heat map, and it would just be a rectangle right here, the same. Like, no, you don't see any volume profile. I'm like, what is going on? It was just as me. User error. Push back to the 200s. Yeah, I think we want to pull back a little bit. Question is the overseas markets, are the overseas markets going to pull back? All right, Nikkei's not at lunch yet. It's only up 2,900 now.
We are staying below these couple red bubbles that I've got on my chart.
Look, we're below VWAP now. Here's VWAP. We're below it.
I'm gonna try one. I'm FOMOing. This is probably stupid.
Short?
I'm short. Yeah. Oops,
oh man.
Gosh, darn it. Let me put on a friggin' ATM.
Hey, I hate shorting way below the EMAs like that.
I know.
Because I'm gonna take a little bit of heat on it more times than not for me. Yeah. And then I get stopped out, and then it goes. Like I
just like how we tried to get back up to this bubble and we rejected right from that same level. So we'll see. Yeah. We'll see. I should have waited for that little bounce. Darn it.
That's what I'm saying. Anytime we're stretched away from the EMAs, if I hit it, it's just like, gives me the big middle finger. I'm like, you stupid. Oh, we did get 200 likes. That means we will be doing a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. I can't believe it's only 10:13. It feels about 12 o'clock at night to me right now. I mean, I've been through it tonight or today. And then we got we had the HSI coming out too. So anybody that's in a trade, be careful. Or not HSI. We have the BOJ coming out. So no, you don't need a TPT account to enter. But if you do win, you need to go to TPT and create an account. Don't buy it, just so you create a username, password. Otherwise, they can't transfer the account to you. That's free to do. Don't buy anything. You do need to sign up to the email list down below, because if you win, I have no way to contact you. Too bad, too sad. So if you're not on the email list, you will forfeit. If you sign up to the email list, you'll be sent an email confirmation. Just confirm your email, click on the button. And if you're already on it, you don't have to sign up again. You're good to go. Good. It takes a while to get used to these headphones. It cancels out all the noise in the background. And it's like weird to talk. Weird. Hey, not a problem.
I wonder if they have a button to turn off the noise cancellation.
I haven't read the instructions yet. I haven't had time.
Or actually, what you need is, instead of the noise.
Hey, you're making money, right?
Yeah. What you need is, oh, that was a big bubble too.
Yeah.
Some of the more expensive, nicer headphones have an option so you can hear yourself talk. Like it's what do they call that? It's a monitor, built-in monitor. That's what mine's got. Yeah, that was a big bubble, but didn't really go anywhere. I mean,
we have a little bit of liquidity over here on the ES, right here at about 92. Yeah, they are pretty big, Eric. That's gonna be funny. Look, right down to 420, roughly where I said I wanted to hold the original micros down, the FVG down there. I dog it. If I would have held that down there, I'd have a nice cushion going into tomorrow.
Hey, I'm up $360 on this. Let's see if it can hit the target.
What's the target?
416.
Oh, that's not far away. You're close.
Yeah, actually, I probably need to go to 417. 417.
Oh, let's get it. You're gonna get it. Oh, Raj says 397 should lend some support.
Oh, another big bubble. Oh man, they didn't get me. Oh, that should have filled me. That should have filled me. There we go. Finally, target filled.
Nice. How much you make on that one?
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. 474.24.
Nice.
Sure wish I had my TPT accounts. Dude, still nothing, man. Jeez.
I would have just sat down there waiting for agent.
I tried as long as I could, but
I would have stayed on it. I just kept messaging.
It said, it actually said in the chat that, you know, the ticket's been opened with Pro Plus and that somebody would get back to me via email.
Hey, so I wonder if they have you on like when you hit the day loss limit, they don't let you get back the next day. They put you in timeout for a couple of days.
Couple days? Jeez.
Couple of weeks. Hey. You're losing our money now.
I mean, that's probably smart.
Because you know, like as soon as you lose, like bam, you want to get it back.
Yeah.
But you don't have a lot. They don't have a lot to get back though.
I mean, I could have been like with the big rips we've had, I could have got it back. Darn it.
There'll be more trades. Oh, nice little bubble down there. Nice little bubble. As I was about to say, a big bubble. Nice little big bubble. Kind of like jumbo shrimp. Ken bought the dip. Huh. Nice. Yeah, Raj, we did get the VWAP tested. VWAP. Smacked. Smack. Doesn't make sense to me. Oh, I gotta change this chart to that too. Hey, do you leave your charts at 24-hour time or 12-hour?
Oh, I go back and forth with that because here's the thing I hate.
I don't like the scaling at the bottom with the 12-hour.
Yeah, I personally like the 12-hour, the normal AM PM.
Yeah.
But I hate when I'm looking at other stuff like what do you call it? Like Spot Gamma, Mentor Q, Financial Juice. They all use 24-hour, and it's like, God, I hate having to do mental gymnastics all the time.
Yeah.
So
yes, almost that view out.
I go back and forth with it, I guess, is the moral of the story. Right now, they're on 12-hour.
Yeah, I just don't like the scaling. Like, I see all this text at the bottom. Like, oh, I don't like the way it looks over there. So I went back.
341 beautiful souls hanging out. Hey, if you're new, say hi in the chat. Make sure you're subscribed. Mike's on.
Hey, that's not true. I'm not beautiful.
Pretty much every night, definitely every morning. So definitely tune in tomorrow morning for the New York session. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and all that good stuff.
I think we have more storms coming tonight too. Tonight and tomorrow.
Better get them batteries ready.
Batteries are charged, but it was out for so long it just drained the batteries.
Yeah.
And that's not the problem. That's not where the problem happened is. I was booting up Ninja. It had the dark screen like for login. And it started booting up and the generator fell off the thing and basically ran out of gas, kind of. Wasn't sucking in no gas and killed the power.
Yeah.
And then when I booted up the next time, it was all white.
Hey, R-Bomb. The Tradeovate market depth is not as good as Bookmap, in my opinion.
Oh, not even close. Neither's Ninja's. Ninja's not either.
Yeah, they're very similar. It's the same technology. And you don't get that unless you subscribe to level 2 data anyways, right?
Which I do.
So, but most people don't. So if you're with a prop firm, that's not going to do you any good. So don't pay for it.
New from Germany. Hey, what's up? Welcome.
Hey, what's up? So I don't know if you caught all that R-Bomb, but I would, if you want a heat map, like I would just use Bookmap. Or Deep Charts has a really good setup too. So either one of those would, but you got to have level 2 data. There's no way around that for a heat map. Miss K. Glad to hear it. Yeah, and Deep Charts just rolled out there. Wow, man, I'm super impressed. For anybody who's, I know we do have some Deep Charts users in the chat, but what do you feel about the new option stuff they're building in? That is pretty slick. Mike, you know how you and I have been trying to, like, the view we want is the darn strike prices and everything on the right side of the chart like that.
Yeah.
Deep Charts has now built that in. And it looks pretty good at first glance. I haven't really dug into the videos and stuff yet, but they're on the right track. I like what they're doing.
Hey, BK, right there. 28,169.
Ooh, my foot just cramped up. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh.
I don't think with a level 2, I don't think DeepSeek though. If you use it with a prop firm, you're not going to get the benefits of it.
No, Deep Charts? No, definitely. You got
it.
Yeah, you got it. So what I recommend is if you got Deep Charts, you got to get like a DX feed level 3 is what they call it. So it includes the level 2 stuff for the heat map, and it includes the MBO market by order data, just like Bookmap does. So it can show you the icebergs and stop runs and all that good stuff. So you got to have the right data feed to go with whatever you're trying to accomplish in whatever charting platform you're using. The beautiful thing about Bookmap is you pay one fee for their data and it includes everything that you need, right? So with other platforms like Deep Charts and Ninja and whatever else, Quant Tower, you got to try to find a good data provider that provides all the stuff for the indicators you want to use.
feeling the itch to take another trade.
Apple, is there a way to extend the entry? Oh yeah, for sure, Apple. You just you right click on the, I think it's on the price scale on the right and go to property. No, sorry.
Oh, I've seen it.
Yeah, you right click on there it is. So over on the right hand side of your chart, down below all the buttons on the chart trader, you want to right click in there and go to properties, and then there's an order display bar length. Mine's currently set to 30. It's a percentage of the chart, so you can make it any size you want.
Oh, hey, Atomic. See you in the morning, Atomic. What time? Wow, it's 10:24 already.
10:24.
I feel like last time I looked, it was just like 9 something. 9 something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
an hour kind of came and went. Market slowed down. At least I got that little short out of there. So I did, and that was on the other sim account. So I got to combine the two. But I did $2,300 on one sim account and $474 on the other one.
That's good.
That was 3 trades total. I just wish they were on my TPT accounts.
Hey, for kicks, did you even try to trade them tonight?
I did.
Oh.
Still got the same error that they're set to
what's
auto.
that? Set the auto. Yeah, set the auto liquidate. Seems like you failed. Not you're locked out.
No, it goes on to say, it says your account set to liquidate only with no automatic re-enable. So the problem is they locked it when I hit my daily loss limit, but it's set to no auto re-enable. So the new trading session didn't re-enable him.
They're forcing you to do a cooldown period.
I guess. I mean, there's nothing about that in the fine print, but
it's a development. They're making you gotta.
I wish they'd just like email me back and say that.
Watch tomorrow. They're gonna say, "Hey, how come you haven't been trading these accounts?"
Yeah, Captain Price. No, it's not failed. It's not failed. I log into Tradeovate and it shows I still have $221 of drawdown. So remember we were talking about this the other night.
Haley Mendoza.
We're gonna try to get those accounts back with 1 micro at a time.
I really want to take a trade. I like the 9 count, I like the bubbles down here, but I'm like, do we retrace further? Because when I look at the higher time frame charts, I still think there's further we could go.
Hey, Captain, I don't need to make 9K or 3K with 1 micro. I only need to get my $900 back, and then I'm back to square one. Those accounts are only down $900. So if I can get them back to 0, then I'll feel better about the situation. No, real estate investor. No, they're 150K accounts, but they're Pro Plus development accounts. So they only gave me a.
Hey, see you later, Chris.
Total drawdown of 2250, and unfortunately, I hit a daily loss limit of 2,000. So I'm left with. There was some slippage, but technically, I, would have had $250 left. But with a little slip on that, when they closed my position, it's $220. So good luck to me.
Should be easy, right? I said I have 257-inch. No. Hey, Tom. So right now I have in front of me, I have a 65-inch, 232-inch monitors. I just bought 2 57 Samsung Odyssey G9 something I haven't hooked them up yet, though. One bite at a time. I don't know that I want to eat an elephant.
Henrietta. Hey, help me remember that, Mike. Real estate invest is in Canada is Henrietta.
Do what?
That's easier to say than real estate in whatever it is.
Oh, the name.
Real estate in Vancouver, Canada.
Well, I mean, streaming and trading. So the stream takes up a whole 32-inch monitor by itself. I have the YouTube, the OBS, and all that on there. That's one screen gone. Poof. Oh, I got mine out. Mine are out there. They've been out there for a couple days. I just got a new monitor mount for it. The first mounts that I bought, I didn't like them. I didn't like the way it was going to work, so sent them back. Bought two other. So I bought two other mounts. I don't know which one I'm going to like better yet, so we'll see. I was hoping to mess with that a little bit this afternoon, but today was just a disaster. I don't know if this is all we go down and we rip up, I won't be surprised. I still think there's a little bit more to the downside, though. I think there's a little bit more. I'm not 100% sold on that was it. Could be, but
we got a big fire out here on the coast, so our air quality is real bad. It's brown out here.
You guys always had bad air quality, though.
No, not where I live.
Maybe not where you. I'm saying California in general.
Yeah, but when we get these wildfires, whoo, boy, it's brutal.
Doji fake out. But they're trying to get it up here. I'm almost tempted to go for a little long back towards the VWAP. But you know what? If I want to do that.
Henrietta says, "Where are you, Jesse?" I'm in California. I'm in the wine country area, Sonoma, Napa Valley.
Fantastic.
Oh, our bomb. Yeah, all right. From Houston, born in San Jose. Okay.
Close. I meant to go MNQ. I went MAS.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Well, I'll play up towards this little VWAP right here. That's
yeah, it's a nice little. They got a little bounce going.
About 48 at the moment. See if we can get up there. Maybe we do. Maybe we do not. We got the BOJ. BOJ can wreck me too. I don't think they're coming out till 11:30, maybe. Hopefully. Good boy. I don't know why this is all jacked up white too. Ever since. All right, let's see if I can get my little bouncy bounce. Little bouncy bounce. On the micros. Can we get it? Why can't you hear anything? Oh, yeah, good job on the $600 on the short. Wait, what do we have for news tomorrow? Do we have anything?
No, I mean I looked. Let me look again. That's the
Yeah,
31st.
we do actually. Chicago PMI, employment cost, and right here.
Why am I not seeing any of that?
I don't know. Revised consumer sentiment and revised inflation expectations. Quite often, that'll cause a trend day in the market. Is it going to be a trend up or trend down?
Tomorrow's the 31st, right?
Correct.
My financial juice shows none of that.
Yeah, sometimes they don't.
These guys are slipping.
I want to see if this is going to jack me over or not.
What? Oh, you're long. That's not going to jack you over. I think you're good.
No, I mean when I go to get out. I still don't know if I double click the mouse or not.
Did you fix your hotkeys at least?
Yeah. So I can get out of the trade with a hotkey, but it's like I don't understand why it put me in the opposite position on the other one. I don't know. Now, I want to trade another NASDAQ or NQ, but I'm a little bit nervous with the BOJ coming out. And I do think we kind of want to come up here and test the weekly high. We're so close to it. Why not just go ahead and tag it? If you look from a retracement standpoint, from the high down to a low, we're already above the 786. So why not just make it?
Yeah, why not just make it? Let's see if I've got anything on my charts over here.
We have some FEGs above us.
Do we? If we can get above this other, so we got above this, well, we tried to get above this big bubble. We got even over there on your 1 minute, you see those two bubbles? I got those on my real big Renko chart. And so I'm thinking if we can get above those and hold up there, which looks like you've got a moving average, or is that VWAP on your 1 minute?
VWAP.
Yeah, I guess we might reject off of that VWAP too.
Well, I was hoping that's why I'm trying to target that VWAP.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah. I'm down a little bit on it right now, $60. Wait, while we're waiting for the market to pop or something.
Do something.
Yeah. I think we should do the giveaway. I'm going to drop the key phrase in the chat. Boop. Been dropped.
There we go.
So spam the chat with that comment. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 to 10-ish people. And then I'll pick out a handful of people. We'll see who's going to win. Now, remember, you got to be signed up to the email list. And your email's got to be confirmed. If you already signed up, you don't have to sign up again. Let me get the notepad out again. Don't want to have an issue. That's a disaster. All right. I just realized I could just hit re-roll and it picks the next person. Saves me a couple clicks. They're getting it to the downside. I'm going to get a chance to DCA in this sucker. They're getting it down here a little bit. They're bringing the pain. City Cruise.
Let's go.
Little mad. I was going to add to that. I didn't do it. I was hoping we were going to keep going down a little bit. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Nightbots went ahead and picked out 10 people so you guys can quit spamming the chat. I'm going to scroll through the chat now and pick out some people that I see on here on a regular basis. All right, let's see. Oh, Apple, you have a spot. Let's see. Is Tom still on here? All right, Tom, you got a spot. Alley Cat, you have a spot. Lobster Dad, you have a spot in the duck race. Cocoa Candy, you have a spot. Adam, you have a spot. David Snyder, you get a spot. Ooh. I'm gonna put Bob in there. We'll put Wild Deuces. Yeah, spot in there. I don't know how many people are having this duck race already. I'll throw Roach in there. And let me scroll through here a little bit more. Got Apple. Oh, BK. You have a spot. Trying to rip up here a little bit. I keep my eye on that VWAP. Keep my eye on the VWAPs. Miss K, you got a spot in the duck race. I think that's going to round it out. Somebody copy all these names and put them in there. Ooh. Bam. All right. Names, edit. Paste. Done. Let's see who's got what it takes to win. Who's it gonna be? Actually, hey, we should do something fun. Hey, we're gonna switch this up a little bit. Oh man, let's hold on. We're gonna switch this up for the winner. We're gonna do a poll. Let's do this real quick. That way the chat can vote which. What do I do here?
Oh, I like the idea of a poll.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I got to take my medicine. Bob, take your meds.
All right. So here's the poll. Which duck wins the account? Wins the account? Which duck will it be? All right. Will it be duck 1, duck 19, duck 11, duck 6? I know I didn't do them in order, but.
Oh, you didn't add Jesse's duck to the list?
What do you mean?
There should have been an option that says Jesse's duck.
Oh. So which number? You guys get to pick. Hey, we'll let the poll go for 5 minutes. Hey, Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. Hey, Siri. Siri. Hey, Siri. Set timer for 5 minutes. All right. Timer has been set. So we'll let the poll go for 5 minutes. And whichever duck you guys think should be the winner will be the winner. It'll be interesting to see which duck wins. Yeah, let's all win. All right, come on. I need this NASDAQ just to... I gotta change the color of these price candles too. Golly. It's like do, redo. Do, redo. Do, redo.
Yeah, I was so mad when Ninja changed to those hex codes instead of letting you just pick the trusty old colors we're used to for so many years. And some of the colors don't have, I can't find their exact matches. So
Gave your duck the pill. Oh, no worries. All right. I don't think it's too late. I got you. I didn't see you in the chat tonight, so I didn't think you were here. I was thinking about you. I was going to save it till tomorrow. All right, you're in.
all right.
Ooh, good thing I didn't hit set yet. Come on, just go up a little bit. We had the BOJ come out 11:30.
Did you see Apple's comment up there?
No. What are you right?
I don't want to repeat it. Oh, my face hurts. No.
Oh.
I love it. Hey, that might get in the way of his feet being able to swim fast, though, Apple. That might have been a mistake.
Yeah.
That might be an issue.
It caused a little bit too much drag. Now we're trying to go up here a little bit.
You guys are friggin' fun to hang out with.
We got about 2 minutes left to vote. Whew. I don't know, Bob. I had no idea how that works.
If it's a she duck, she's gonna be top heavy. She'll sink down into the water further, and same issue, create too much drag.
Too much drag.
You, Apple and whoever else is on those pills is gonna be dragging anchor.
That might be good because it might put them far enough in the pack, depending on what everybody votes.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yes, it might have a good plan.
The goal might not be to come in first. Hey, what's up, Finite? Oh, geez, I'm missing VWAP too. Thanks, Raj, for the reminder. I got to add VWAP to my chart.
I'm going to start closing this out. Close one out. Close second. Got 2 more. I want to see if we pop up a little bit more.
You got 2 more micros on there?
Yeah, I got 2 left. Oh, screw it. I'm just going to get out. I'm out. I'm out.
All right. Nice one. Good work.
I know, front ran it a little bit. But hey, you can look right here when we came down. Look, very little delta compared to over here. So that's why I added to it. All right, let's see. 26 seconds. See who's going to win it. What spot? Remember, you got to be signed up to the email list. Your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, you forfeit. All right. All right, that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and end the poll. End it. How close was it? So 40% said 11, 35% said 19, 15% said 1, and 10% said 6. All right. So Duck 11 is going to be the winner. So now we got to run the race. Whose duck can be number 11? Let's get it. On your marks.
Let's go.
Get set. Beep.
All right. Then that's a lot of ducks.
I think it's like 22, I think. I think it's 22. Yeah, let's go, Ducky. Let's go. Oh, I don't think number 1's going to win. I don't know because number 11 actually wins. Oh, so, you know, is it good that your duck's out in the lead to begin? As it will probably fade if it's in the lead early.
So okay, so number 11 won it. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, number 11 won. So we
That's
gotta see
what I
which-
voted for. All right.
which duck will be 11th place.
Sweet. Hey, there goes. Oh, Apple's falling back. Hey, your plan might have worked. The boat anchor. All right, I'm a few seconds behind, so I'm gonna shut up now.
Oh, Crazy Eye Duck would have got first. All right, we gotta scroll through. Let's scroll through and see which one actually gets it.
Was it Adam?
I don't know.
Oh, I was trying to count.
Alley Cat.
Alley Cat.
Alley Cat for the win.
Nice.
I didn't get in the email yet. Hey, Alley Cat, if you can provide the first 3 letters of your email. Hey, smack it down. Don't forget we have the BOJ coming out tonight. That could be a mover.
And that's in about 40 minutes or so.
I just don't like that it says tentative.
Well, the decision part doesn't say tentative, at least. We'll see.
Is that right? Huh. Hey, Alley Cat, I'm gonna send you an email real quick. Only because your last part of your subscriber count don't look the same. I'll make sure I get it right. Gmail. It's So we're gonna do a little 2FA. Hey, type this number I just sent you. I better not do that one. Type the number I just sent you. I sent you an email with a number. Type that in the chat just to make sure I have the right person. Too tired to be a bull anymore?
I was just reading that too.
Let's go. Let's go. Can't believe Crazy Eye Duck would have had it. Would have won it. Are you gonna try to bring it back up or not? All right, perfect. Perfection. Hey, Alley Cat, have you ever had a Take Profit Trader account in the past? Hey, so go over to Take Profit Trader right now, create a username and password. And whatever email you give them, I'm going to need it. I'm just sending you some information here in just a second. They're going to need that email to be able to transfer you over an account. So do not buy anything. Just go create an account so you have a username, password. They need somewhere to transfer that account over to you. So I just sent you an email. So once you do that, you'll be able to reply back to my email. And once I get your information, I'll forward it to Take Profit Trader. And they should get that account transferred over to you tomorrow. Let's go. See, I only place one trade at a time in my prop accounts. I know they have a no hedging rule, so let's go look it up together. It's not a rule that usually affects me. Let's see. FAQ. Let's see if we can see it over here. No counter positions. Let's see what that is. Can't have one contract long and another account short. We didn't know that. That's different. Closely related products. Opposite positions are forbidden. Not only within the same exact contract, but also correlated futures markets. So ES to MES, you can't be long one and short the other. Yeah, so if you're long ES and then short, that's a violation. But it doesn't say about the same direction. So it says no counter position. I still wouldn't do it. I just put one trade on at a time just to make sure you're not in any gray area. Because they don't want you to be long the ES and short the MES. So. Oh, you have? Hey, then the email that you signed up with Take Profit Trader in the past, the email I just sent you, just reply back using that email. And then your name, and I'll forward it over there to them. And as soon as they email me and let me know the account has been transferred, I'll send you an email so you can be on the lookout for another email. BOJ should be, it says tentative, but then it says 10:30, it says 11:30. So tentative 11:30, we don't know. And that's what makes it a little bit difficult. You know, you don't know exactly what time the news is coming out. So if I look on Forex Factory, they show the BOJ, all of it is tentative. Financial Juice shows it at 11:30, some of it, and some of it as tentative. So we do have the Nikkei at lunch right now. The Kospi still up 14%. Still not bad. No, hey, J-Love. So when Take Profit Trader transfers it over to them, they give you a credit. So where you put your credit card information in, at the bottom, it'll say credit number 1. You click on that, boop, it zeroes everything out. And if it's an account that you won from me, you don't have to pay any activation fee. So play 2 balances. Ah, good job on that. 397.
Nice.
Let's go. Let's get it. Should I go long? Yeah, I don't know, Raj. I'm kind of I'm a little bit nervous with the BOJ coming out. I don't know what I want to do. The BOJ might cause us to have a huge rip. It may cause us a big dip. So I kind of want to wait till the BOJ comes out. No, it's an eval account. So if you pass it, you get moved into a pro account where you can get money out of it. Oh, we're trying to go up here a little bit. We still haven't hit the view up yet. We might be on our way up to get it right now. Oh, perfect.
I'm here and buying.
All right, let me go ahead and email. Compose. Yeah, we're going to get that too. Sounds like a rip, but we still haven't hit the view app yet. We have a consolidation down here. So all we've done now is come right back to the top of this. Are we going to be able to break, or are we going to get smacked right back down? So. I still think we have a little bit more gas in the tank. I just think we get a pullback in the short term before getting the big rip up. Is what I think, but I don't know. You never know. Never know. Yeah, what time is it now? Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock. Wow. Let's see if the new hourly candle pushes us up.
I bet you that rate decision is just going to follow ours and no change.
Well, they intervened in the currency market today. So if you go look at this, that's why I think it could be huge. So like if you look on the daily, look, they intervene in the currency market. So. And usually it takes a couple times before they really are able to get the meaningful push they want. Like here is one intervention right here. They intervened again. I can't remember if they did it over here or not. It's usually 3 or 4, and then you know, you think, oh, it's just gonna come right back, and you get smoked. So I remember trading the currency markets back when they were intervening back in the day. I remember that. Seeing it get smoked, come right back.
Hey, good night, Eddie.
See, good night, Eddie. See you in the morning. Next time I'm seeing it, that's like, oh, I'm going to trade this one. Boom, got smoked.
Hey, Young Chu is asking, what platform are you using now?
This one right here is TradingView, and this is Ninja. So I got Ninja Trader and TradingView. And then the charts over here are Bookmap. So I got a lot going on. Yes, isn't moving nearly as much. Got a little 9 count. Regression channel still sloping down. I can't believe the FEGs aren't redrawing. Aren't going away. That's good stuff. Well, no, I think it's from. I think there's something in Ninja. I'm telling you, the volume profiles seem way crisper now too. I don't know. I think it's just like something with the update tainted the folder. Is what I think, but I don't know. Yeah, but you haven't did a complete reinstall, have you? Like the documents folder and everything. That's what I'm saying. I think there's some garbage left over causing it. I don't know. It's a theory. I don't know. Hey, update it tomorrow. Hey, but it doesn't say it on the thing that's been fixed. It doesn't say it. I looked for it. It didn't fix very much in this. So they made it so you can trade single stock futures. They added the lockout feature, and there wasn't a whole lot. I just did a video on it the other day, but yeah, I'm really curious. If yours is still messed up and mine's not, something's jacked up with. Now let's see if I can pull it up. I want to go look at it. I'm waiting for the BOJ. I'm not going to place a trade before the BOJ comes out now. Release notes. Yeah, if you come over here and look, they have single stock futures released in 8.0. They had single stock workspace. You can get the earnings calendar up here now too. That's pretty cool.
Oh, that is.
Yeah.
What is it? Does it draw lines on the chart, or what does it do?
It just has it up here in the like a little calendar thing. Shows you the EPS. I don't know. You get stock data charts. Stock hot list, manual lockout for prop accounts. And look, if you look at, here's all the issues: fixed alerts, change message, enhance an app. Then they fix, or it says change NinjaTrader connection, add support for upcoming connectivity improvements for certain prop providers. And if you look at what they fixed in the new release, 8.1, improved audio alerts, candlestick data series appearance setting could reset or become uneditable. And somebody was complaining about that before.
Oh, yeah, I have that problem big time. Oh, I'm gonna update tonight.
Resolve an issue with NinjaTrader. Oh yeah, resolved an issue with NinjaTrader. Could occasionally remain running after exit, preventing you to be able to log back in. And then something with licensing. That's it. Very little on that. But I like the lockout feature. You got the lockout feature up here now. You do per prop account. That's pretty cool.
I'm most excited about the finally fix the bar template or the presets. Oh, I hope that's fixed.
Trying to get out at 452. I'm not in the trade right now. I'm out. I'm flat. No, he just ain't right. I got out of my longs. I was front running the VWAP. I got out. I think I made 100 and something bucks on it. A couple micros. So, it is what it is. I don't even know if the BOJ is going to come out at 11.
11:30.
Yeah.
25 more minutes.
I don't know if I want to wait. I think I'm just going to go to bed, actually. I think with the day I had.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
I mean, I had a rough day. Like, everything did not go well. The only thing that went decent, I didn't have a nightmare trading today.
Yeah,
I mean, I woke up and I was stressed out. Like, wife's like, "Oh, don't worry. I just want to know what time I have to wake you up." I said, "I'm in a trade. Don't go out there now. It's light." And I was like, "I'm in a trade. I got to get out there." Like, had all the prop accounts in a trade. Like, every account I had was in a trade.
Oh man.
I was like, so if the leader account hits, it's not going to fill any of them because my computer's off.
Ooh.
I went right in here. I was like, computer's off. And she's trying to get me to go back to bed. I was like, I got it. I got to run out there. And lightning was popping hard.
You're outside trying to get a generator going, and
just so I get my charge. It was loud. Pow! I mean, it was lightning was close.
Wow.
So, hey Raj. So the problem with it, since I use execution only, if the computer is off, all the prop accounts won't get the order. My live account could get it, and I could log in through the app and close out my live account, but I couldn't do anything about the prop accounts. Oh man, that was horrible this morning. So I woke up from the lightning was waking me up too, but then it's like you wake up in a panic and it's like you jolt out of bed. I gotta fix this. Man, that was rough. So it's not the way I like to wake up, needless to say.
You're telling me.
So I think with that being said, I'm going to jump off, but hopefully you guys will come join me tomorrow. 8 a.m. We'll be streaming. Hopefully you guys will come hang out on Friday. Fun Friday. Let's get it. And thank you for everybody that came out. Congratulations to the winner. And tomorrow we're going to be giving away 1 or 2 more Take Profit Trader accounts. I don't know. I got to look and see if I got access to 2 of them or not. If I have 2 of them, we're going to do access to 2 of them. If not, we have at least 1 to give away for tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will come join us, hang out. See you guys in the morning. Take care.
See you guys.